Waking up every morning is a struggle. If you've tried noisy alarms and still snooze through them, maybe you've seen FitSleeps. But should you pick the standard or Pro version? Let's break down the differences, strengths, and weaknesses and see if Pro is really worth the upgrade. So FitSleep Standard is a simple vibrating wristband arm. You wear it while you sleep and it vibrates at your set time instead of making noise. It's aimed at people who oversleep, sleep with partners, or want a silent, non-disturbed wake-up method. For its pros, it has silent vibration-based wake-up, ideal for heavy sleepers or shared rooms. Simple to use. Set your alarm, wear it, and it vibrates at wake time. And good battery life claimed up to 14 days and less intrusive than audio alarms. However, its vibration is constant. It may not be strong enough if you are a very deep sleeper. Some users report that the alarm is easy to ignore or turn off without really waking up. So standard is fine if you are a light to moderate sleeper or if you just want a gentle, silent alternative to traditional alarms. FitSleeps Pro builds on standard, but adds a few upgrades aimed at heavy sleepers. According to the manufacturer, it uses increasing vibration intensity from soft, medium to hard, instead of a single fixed vibration, to help wake even the deeper sleepers. It also offers a longer strap with better fit and a longer battery life of up to 20 days for longer usage cycles. For its pros, it has stronger ramping vibrations, better chance of waking deep sleepers, more comfortable fit, and better band design with the strap fitting wider wrists, longer battery life, and potentially more reliable for consistent daily use. However, some users still reported the vibration isn't enough or that the alarm can be bypassed or turned off without full wakefulness. Others mention quality, delivery, or setup problems, like the strap breaking, missing charger, and confusing interface. Because of mixed feedback, some calling it overpriced, complaining about reliability, results may vary heavily from person to person. So while Pro aims to solve Standard's biggest weakness, which is the weak vibration, it doesn't guarantee perfection. Some users still don't find it strong enough, and there are reports of durability or support issues. If you sleep lightly or just want a silent, low-effort alarm for everyday use, Standard is a reasonable no-frills choice. If you're a heavy sleeper, tend to snooze through alarms, or share a bedroom and need stronger, more reliable vibration, Pro is likely worth trying. That said, user reviews are quite mixed. While some find Pro life-changing, others say it still isn't reliable or well built. So Pro can be worth it, especially if you struggle with waking up, but don't assume it'll magically solve the problem. Before buying, consider your sleeping habits, light versus deep sleeper, whether you need a silent alarm, and whether you tolerate anything less than 100% reliability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.